Hi everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today I'm gonna teach you an interesting topic which is cooking verbs. Before that, what is cooking? Cooking is an art of using heat to prepare food. It is also known as cookery. How many of you love cooking? Great! I too love cooking. Friends, don't forget to share these videos with your friends who are foodies, chefs, and homemakers. Let's get into the topic. Number 1. Grill. Grill means to cook food over fire or hot coals, usually on a metal frame. Number 2. Broil. Broil means to cook meat or fish by exposure to direct heat. Number 3. Barbecue. Barbecue means to cook food, especially meat, outside on a barbecue, which is a machine, or over a fire. Number 4. Dice. Dice means to cut food into small squares. Number 5. Bake. Bake means to cook inside an oven without using either liquid or fat. Number 6. Roast. Roast means to cook meat or other food by direct heat, which is dry in an oven or over a fire so that they become drier and browner. Number 7. Stew. Stew means to cook meat, fish, vegetables, or fruits slowly and gently in a little liquid. Number 8. Caramelization. Caramelization is the browning of sugar. That is a process used extensively in cooking for resulting sweety, nutty flavor and brown color. Number 9. Steam. Steam means to cook food using the hot gas that is produced when water boils. Number 10. Boil. Boil means to reach or cause something to reach the temperature at which a liquid starts to turn into a gas. Number 11. Saute. Saute means to cook food in oil or fat over heat, usually until it is brown. Number 12. Cut. Cut means to break the surface of something or to divide or make something smaller using a sharp tool, especially a knife. Number 13. Chop. Chop means to cut something into pieces with an axe, knife, or other sharp instruments. Number 14. Slice. Slice means to cut something into thin, flat pieces. Number 15. Add. Add means to put something with something else to increase the number or amount or to increase both. Number 16. Pour. Pour means to make a substance flow from a container, especially into another container, by just raising one side of the container that has substance in it. Number 17. Drain. Drain means to remove the liquid from something, usually by pouring it away. Number 18. Knead. Knead means to press something, especially a mixture for making bread, firmly and repeatedly with the hands and fingers. Number 19. Peel. Peel means to remove the outer covering or skin from a fruit or vegetable. Number 20. Stir. Stir means to move a spoon or other instrument around in a liquid or other substance in order to mix it thoroughly. Hope this video was informative and interesting. Meet you soon with the part 2 video of cooking verbs. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Mask English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and share chat. Thank you.